Welcome to beautiful Palm Springs City Hall, and welcome to this, the 1963 Lark by Studebaker. Behold the glory of this survivor class, spectacular, spellbinding, hypnotizing, and mesmerizing example of smart styling and design. How much are you all seriously loving right here the way it says Lark? For your pleasure. Look at these beautiful wheel covers with that S as the dramatic centerpiece. I know. And this front end with that grill. It says hello, hi, and how are you? The grill is pure classic Studebaker, as is the overall sublime sensibility of the styling inside and out. And this interior, so beautifully dressed in two tones of green. It's kind of almost a little bit Rolls Royce, isn't it? Who would have ever thunk it? I know. And how about the dramatic flare on that rear wheel well? Isn't that gorgeous? I know. And look at the sensible roofline. Beautiful. Very handsome. And the rear speaks to us in so many ways. First of all, this tail light and its relationship with its backup light. I know. And the way it says Studebaker across that trunk so proudly. Absolutely wonderful. Look at this beautiful trunk ornament. I know. Yes. And that color. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, yes, it is. Look at this door panel. I love the little Lark logo right there. That rich two-tone of green. And right there it says vanity. Can you show us the vanity, Jeff?
Sure.
So what's going on here? This is very elaborate.
Yes, it's the beauty vanity mirror and makeup storage.
So, and what's over here?
Just your glove box, period.
Oh, this is the glove box.
That is your glove box.
This is where you put your drinks in case you want to have like a couple drinks at McDonald's or the local drive-thru. And of course, in case you want to have a little smoke, no problem. Very interesting. Okay. Oh dear, look. You were reminded of the brand of this car by the radio. Little bit of an ashtray situation right here. Whoa. Oh dear. And I love the instrument cluster. So this is a very rare car, you guys. This is my favorite class of car, survivor class. This car has never been repainted. It has the original interior and original running gear, and it is on a roll. And it only has 17,000 original miles, you guys, a low mileage original. It doesn't get any better than a low mileage original, a virgin, touched for the very first time. So Jeff, why a Studebaker? How did you find this car? Where was it advertised?
Well, it was at McCormick's auction, and I had seen that it did not make its reserve and it did not sell. So I made an offer on it and was excited that they accepted my offer, and so I picked it up.
So have you ever had an old car before?
Oh yes, all my life.
Really?
Yes, I bought and sold cars since I was 15.
Like what kind of cars?
Lincolns, Cadillacs. I'm a big Thunderbird fan. Edsels.
Palm Springs is the mecca of mid-century modernity, and oh, look at that cockeyed rock wall right there. I know. Whoa, look at this one. How much do we all love mid-century modern? I know. This one's ready for a redo.
I'm a pharmacy technician. Prior to that, I sold cars.
You bought and sold classic cars?
And worked at dealerships.
Oh, really?
And prior to that, I served my apprenticeship at Rose Hills Mortuary in Whittier.
Oh, what'd you do there?
I was a funeral director and starting the school for being an embalmer.
The oil filler cap in orange. Is that a glory to behold, or what? I know. Now let's see in the trunk. Oh. So is the car originally from Portland?
I believe that it is, or a dealer. was sold out of Portland, and I believe the car then went to Utah.
All kinds of treasures in the trunk. What's this double cola thing?
Just a metal advertisement for double cola.
And then you have this ad right here, which happens to have a 58 Ford in it. How much do we love trailer travel, you guys? Look at that graphic right there. And oh, just that font right there, travel trailer, I know. But you know what the real pièce de resistance is here, is this. The original, oh, what's this? Oh, that's part of your Christmas display. The original spare and the original tire, you guys. And don't you love that little button cap? Studebaker. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this 1963 Studebaker is more than a classic car. More than a joyride. This 1963 Studebaker Lark is a world-class national treasure. Behold the glory. I love a low mileage original. There's nothing like a low mileage original Survivor class car. I know.